In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print reports on Freshbooks. Whether you're looking to share reports with a colleague or simply need a hard copy for reference, printing reports is an essential task that can be done effortlessly once you know the steps. So let's dive into the process of printing reports from your Freshbooks account. To get started, first, you need to log in to your Freshbooks account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Freshbooks dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage a variety of tasks, ranging from tracking your expenses to handling your invoices. However, today we're going to zero in on how to access and print reports. Over on the left sidebar, you'll see a section labeled Reports. Clicking on this will lead you to a comprehensive list of all the report types available to you within Freshbooks. Reports are incredibly valuable as they offer insights into your business performance and can help you manage your financial activities better. Once you're in the Reports section, look for the option called Invoice Details. Clicking on Invoice Details will open up this specific report, which provides you with detailed information about your invoices. This includes data on who you've sent the invoices to and their payment status, whether they are paid or still outstanding. By reviewing this report, you can keep a sharp eye on your financial tracking and client management. Now that you've accessed the Invoice Details report, we're almost at the point of printing. Within the report interface, locate an option titled More Actions. Clicking here will open up a menu showing additional functionalities you can perform with your report. Among these options will be the ability to export or print the report. To print the report, go ahead and select the Print option from this More Actions menu. This will trigger your browser's print dialog box to appear. At this point, it's important to ensure your printer is properly connected and configured. Double-check your settings to ensure everything is as you want it. Things like page size and orientation can often make a big difference, depending on how you want your final document to look. Once you've confirmed these settings, just hit the Print button, and your hard copy will start printing immediately. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can easily print your Freshbooks reports. Having printed reports can enhance meetings, make your presentations more dynamic, and ensure that you have backups of important documents. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips on managing your business with Freshbooks.